Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Klaviyo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website if you have not already. So go right here to wordpress.com, and once you have opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, right here on the left side of the screen, we can find all the plugins we are using for running our store. So you can open it up, take a look at all your WooCommerce plugins. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and connect our WooCommerce store with Klaviyo. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce website right here at woocommerce.com if you've not already. And right here at the top of the screen, you're going to see the extensions marketplace. This is what you want to open up. Once you've opened up the extensions marketplace, it's going to look like this, where we can go and find all the extensions we can use, and we can use the search bar right here to go and search for Klaviyo. So as you can see, once we search for it, the first result you're going to see is the Klaviyo extension. So this is Woo's preferred marketing automation platform that's going to enable you to unify email and SMS marketing. So to add it to your store, you're going to click add to store button right here at the right side of the screen, and after adding it to your store, it's going to enable you to install the extension. So once you install it, you can go and follow the documentation if you need any more help, but you can just follow step by step once you open it up on how to integrate it with your platform that you have right here on WordPress and connect it to your WooCommerce store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.